A row is a great exercise to work the middle back, but let's see if you can feel those muscles first so that when you're doing the exercise, you know exactly where you're supposed to be working. I want you to go ahead and put your arms down by your sides. You're going to go ahead and just squeeze your shoulder blades together without raising them up. A good way to do this is to stand in front of a mirror and just squeeze your shoulder blades together, making sure that your shoulders don't go up. And that way, you're activating the correct muscles, not the upper trapezius, but the muscles in between your shoulder blades. So stand in front of a mirror, squeeze your shoulder blades together, feel those muscles in between your shoulder blades, contract, get an idea of what they feel like, then you know you're ready to go do a row. Once you know how the muscles feel in a contracted position, you can add weight to it. You'll step forward with one foot for stability, and you're going to go ahead and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Then the elbows come back, trying to touch them together behind your back. Then the elbows come forward, then the shoulders come forward. So shoulders, elbows, elbows, shoulders. And when you get good, it's just one smooth motion. A little bit slower on the way forward. So squeeze, squeeze, release, release. Squeeze, squeeze, release, release.